Hey, welcome to day 14 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving timeout cancellation. The question says given a function and an array of arguments and a timeout t milliseconds, return a cancel function. After the delay of t seconds, the function fn should be called with arguments passed as parameters unless the cancel function was invoked before the delay of t milliseconds. Specifically, at cancel t millisecond. In that case, the function fn should not be called. Let's look at an example. So the input function is this. It takes an argument x and returns x plus y. The args array contains 2 and t equals 20 millisecond. And cancel function is called at 50 milliseconds. So it is called after t milliseconds. So this function will be executed and it will return 2 into 5, that is 10. So it is return 10. And when will it return? After t millisecond, that is 20 seconds. That's it. It is a very simple question. So let's start. We can use setTimeout function to execute the given function after t milliseconds. So let's do it. It takes a function and this function will call the given function with args and it will execute after t milliseconds, right? But we also need to return a cancel function that will cancel the execution of this setTimeout function. How can we do this? So the setTimeout function gives us a timeout ID. We can store that and we can use this timeout ID to clear the timeout. So let's create a clear function. What will this do is it will just call clear timeout and it will take the timeout ID and we just need to return clear function. Now here also we are using the concept of closures. So when we create this function, it creates a closure. So we are allowed to use this variable that is declared outside this function. So let's submit it and it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.